Hey guys, so to create the Highscore icon, you're going to go ahead and hover over the Choose a Sprite, click on the Paint tool to create a new sprite, and call this icon just for short. We're going to go ahead and draw a cloud. So this part is kind of up to you. There's different ways you guys can do this, either by using the brush tool and drawing your different clouds, or using the circle tool and reshape tool to kind of shape it a little bit. So I'm just going to use the brush tool to quickly do this. So I'm just going to go ahead and draw the cloud. I'm going to use the paint bucket tool to fill it in. And then to add a little bit more to it, I'm going to click on it and click on copy and paste. Make a little bit of a smaller version of it and putting it to the side. And then I'm going to make the color just a little bit darker, right? Just to give it that cloud feeling. You guys can do other things to it as well, that's kind of up to you, but once you're done, we're going to go ahead and code it, and the code for it is actually pretty simple. We're going to use, in the Events tab, the When Green Flag Clicked. We are going to go inside the Blue Motions tab and add a Go to X and Y. The X is going to be 167, and the Y is going to be negative 163. Again, you can always test out exactly where it's going to go by just clicking on the green flag. If you don't like it, you can always move it and then adjust the number that you see here to the blue block. That way, it's exactly where you want it to be. We're going to go ahead and go into looks. We're going to add a shell, but we're also going to add a set size too. So depending on how big you make it, you can always shrink it down if you need to. So I'm just going to click on my green flag to see. So that's still a little bit too big. So I'm going to make it maybe a 30. 20. That's good. And maybe I might want to bring it just a little bit higher so that I can see the bottom of it. So that means that my Y has changed to negative 156 because I see that right here. Okay. And with this, you're pretty much done with week 4 core. We're going to go ahead and now move on to the deep dive lessons.